so good. Wait. I'm the only one left. I don't know what happened, but I guess I'm gonna turn the TV on again. The National Weather Service office in downtown Mellon City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pumpkin County and northwestern Mellonland, southeastern Corn County and southwestern Mellonland, southwestern Apple County and northwestern Mellonland, southeastern Cactus County and northwestern Mellonland, southwestern Tomato County and northwestern Mellonland, southeastern Robot County and northeastern Mellonland, southwestern Almond County and northwestern Mellonland, southeastern Cashew County and northwestern Mellonland, southwestern Cookie County and northwestern Mellonland, southeastern Gooseberry County and northeastern Mellonland, southwestern Plum and Tangerine Counties and northwestern Mellonland, southeastern Cactus, Restyle, Drone, Dude, Grape, and Lime Counties and northeastern Mellonland, southwestern Normal Cactus, the End Soldier, Toad, Toxic Waste, and Viking Penguin Counties in northwestern Mellonland until 9:35 a.m. At 9:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a huge severe thunderstorm capable of producing 65-mile-an-hour wind gusts and softball-sized hail was detected approximately 16.5 miles from Mellon City, moving north at 42 miles an hour.
What?
Wait. Okay. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Damage to vehicles, mobile homes, and trees is expected. If you are in a vehicle, mobile home, or the outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service, along with the Mellon City Police Department and Apple City Police Departments, have looked into the situation and detected numerous more red and blue clouds moving amongst the sky. These clouds were assumed harmless until 9:33 a.m. when these clouds summoned numerous red and blue tornadoes in the Mellon City and Apple City areas. These tornadoes were expected to also be harmless as well. These tornadoes can absolutely decimate any city in its range. Even before it's not even in the path, it will be decimated by a huge fireball and an explosion that will move tens of millions of miles. Even before these tornadoes dissipate and lift, these fireballs and explosions will continue in random directions, destroying anything in the path. It is urged that you seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows, keeping as many walls between you and the outdoors as possible, or evacuate within the next infinite minutes, infinite hours, infinite days, infinite minutes, infinite seconds, infinite milliseconds, infinite split seconds, infinite nanoseconds, infinite months, infinite years, infinite decades, infinite centuries, infinite millenniums, and infinite other times. The Everything Canadian government, all the forces in the Everything Canadian government, and the entirety of the EA and volunteer citizens and public transportation companies will be coming into any of the listed counties and areas to evacuate citizens in the shelters or not. Also, every local force, military and special force, and volunteer citizen and public transportation company will also be helping the Everything Canadian forces and public transportation volunteer citizens with evacuation procedures. This is a mandatory evacuation order. If you fail to evacuate, you could be putting your life in extreme danger. Also, a curfew has been put in place for the entirety of the day and the next time you have to evacuate or seek shelter. After this curfew, you will not be able to seek shelter, evacuate, or even go outside your house. If you are caught doing this, you will be shot and killed on sight. Evacuate or seek shelter now. Repeating, evacuate or seek shelter now. This is an extremely life-threatening and dangerous situation. Also, an emergency action notification has been sent out to any areas that have not listened in to the severe thunderstorm warning message. What? 70 million tornadoes have touched down, all of which have a rating of EF 10 million. But these tornadoes also launch huge fireballs and explosions in random directions. What? They have already killed 10 million people and collapsed the Melon City Dam and set off the Melon City, Apple City, Corn City, Tomato City, Tangerine Town, Plumville, and Limetown nuclear power stations. Oh, jeez. And set off an arsenal of 10 million nuclear bombs and missiles from the Melon City military base. Uh-oh. I think we're gonna die. Okay. New information. Everyone, if you are listening to this message with the emergency action notification, everyone must evacuate. Seeking shelter is not available and unusable. It will not help you. Get out of your shelters now. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The Canadian government, along with any other forces, will be evacuating. Also, numerous reports of several hundred monsters from an unknown origin have also been roaming the streets, killing people, helping with the tornadoes. It is expected that Satan will be coming out of his lair to destroy the remaining world. So, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This is a very dangerous situation. So, evacuate. This is very, very dangerous. Repeating, this is very, very dangerous. All regular programming will be discontinued at this time to prevent further distractions. A timer will be put up on every device in the area to tell you how much time you have left to evacuate. So, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. Do not stay in your shelters. Do not stay in your shelters. Stay in your shelters. Don't evacuate. Don't listen to the authorities. Don't evacuate. Let Satan bring you to his stand. God will be sent out to help with these procedures and send hundreds of millions of angels to help with the evacuation procedures at this time. So, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. What the? Doom, doom, doom. Doom, doom, doom. Angel number 72 million. Open the fuck up. Angel 72,000 was sadly killed when Melon saw him. God was not very happy about this, though. How dare you kill one of my many angels? I'm gonna collapse your house. My house! What is happening? I'm gonna burn! Melon, bud. You know, Mr. Melon, I don't really believe about this stupid little, severe thunderstorm thing. Yeah, you're right. No one believes this, don't you think? Yeah, we should tell the media that this was freaking fake. This was planned out by the government to maybe destroy us. Maybe the government wants us dead. Probably. Wait, I hear a rumbling noise. Yeah, me too. I wonder if that's... is that a blue? Are those 70 million tornadoes? Boom! I see a red fire cloud coming in. Ah, it's gonna hit us! Tower is falling. Like, it's all Melon. I think the alarm was right. Oh boy, it's time to paint. I wonder what's gonna happen. I got word of a tornado coming in here, buildings being destroyed, and the only thing left is this little neighborhood here with 2 watchtowers to ensure that the whole place is safe. I wonder if this place is actually safe. Ah! Look over there! I see something! Something huge and something big! Uh-oh. Boss! I think the tower's falling. Thank God! Oh no! I see something falling. I hear something. big crashing down. Oh, I'm burning. Help me. I need to get out of here. I hear something. I'm gonna go ahead and enter this man's house. Hi, neighbor. Ow! What the heck? Please stop. We got the entire population of a city on a raft. That's sinking. Like, why? Why would you put so many people on a raft? Like, literally, the raft is quite literally underwater. And this thing is just, we're like, put more people on here. Look into these eyes of these terrified people. How many people can we fit on this raft before everyone starts? Oh! No! Get on the raft. We're on a barely floating light in the raft. Barely floating raft in the dead of night. Exactly! This thing can't stay up. When are we gonna get nuked? Probably in just a second, now that the enemies can see us with these lights. And these lights don't really span out very far, so I don't think they're gonna be able to see us from all the way up here. Yeah, but what if there was an Edison lamp? I don't know what you would do if there was an Edison lamp here to light the boat up. Yeah, that lights it up pretty nicely. Then we got our flashlights. That way, people. Does this thing? I don't know. There we go. Now we have our light. So is the sun coming up anytime soon? Oh, I'm sure it is. You just gotta give it a second. Maybe more than just a second. Maybe like 2. I don't know, because there's a lot of light that's gonna go out eventually, and we don't have much light left. Well, we actually have a lot of light. It's just the Edison lamps go out slowly because they're kind of basic lamps. Well, I guess we could have a street light on here. Yeah, but that would make this thing sink, and it's already sinking enough to where we could barely stand on it without it moving. Well, we're not going anywhere. We're just floating amongst the long sea. Yeah, we're not even moving. So why are we even on here in the first place? Well, you know that war that's going on over there? Like the tornadoes and the war already happening. Yeah, we get it. It's hard. It's a harsh time of year to be on a raft that's not even floating. Exactly. It's barely even floating. We need more floaties. Well, it's connected by a bunch of threads, so what the hell do you expect? Well, I'm sure that there's something we could do about it, like throwing all these lights into the water. That would reduce some weight. Yeah, but we need these lights. Without these, what are we gonna do? Well, it's fine. We don't need them to see. All they're doing is just giving us weight, excess weight that we don't even need. Oh, jeez. Okay, get back in your seats, guys. I need to lift us up like that, especially knowing that we're going down. Okay, alright. Amongst my fair judgments, the sun is definitely going up. Like, you can clearly tell. We could clearly see. Well, we reduced some weight. I think I'm gonna well, yeah, according to my judgment, he deserved to die, honestly. Well, what are we gonna do now without our navigator? Someone else can be our navigator. I'll just put down a street. That's the wrong one. Oh, it does work. All of this will be deleted. There we go. We have our light. Yeah, but these are frozen. So, we're stuck. Yeah, you're right. We kind of are, because these are just frozen lights. The thing is that we can't take with us. I think our raft is going down. Our raft broke apart. I'm sorry. But I guess I'm going to be drifting on my No! Boris! Wait for me! Wait for me! Boris, Jack, you're sinking me. We're barely afloat. We're sinking each other. What are we going to do? We don't have a raft anymore. Well, I guess I could be your raft, Boris. Well, Jack, I don't want to sacrifice you to be my raft. It's fine, we can move. I can move. Just you wait. Well, we need a light, so we're gonna put this down. No, that's sinking me. Dude! No, I'm not a raft anymore. Well, here you go. I guess I can sink. As long as I can breathe, that's what matters. I don't think I'm gonna breathe for much longer. I'll just put myself here. Good. Now what? I still have to carry you along, Boris. If you had to carry someone else, then you would be sinking. You're right. We're not even halfway here. Boris! Oh, he landed in the ocean. Okay. Bleep, blop, blop, blap. I don't know, dude. He's saying something. Bleep, blop, blop, blap. Blap. He broke me. He must have revengeance. Revengeance on. Stupid alien idiot. Da! My leg. Oh, my leg. Okay. I know what to do. There's a dead astronaut on the moon. Oh man, I am an idiot. Ha 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 ha. I am an idiot. Ha 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 ha. Space station now. Oh, it's just a planet. Disturbing the peace. We are on it. Boo, baby, baby, bombs. It's bad. Space station. You are listening to No Other Radio Station, KHBEC 97 News. Reporting since 1872, since 2022, since 1778, since 1720, reporting for the past 18 million years. In the past 10,000 years, it is now 4044. The National Weather Service office in Melbourne City states that the disasters have subsided. The clouds are gone. It's been infinite amounts of time since the evacuation order. There's basically nobody except Ellen and Pumpkin, and they both kind of They're not like, yeah, we need we emergency services are everything the government states that they will no longer be sending in their forces for any of these scenarios. So if you do somehow find this, remember that this is a pre-recorded message. Nothing will happen. Yeah. Your programming has been discontinued due to a huge nuclear explosion.